Please support me by subscribing and liking.
More stable on the road and more capable off-road, the Pilot's new price reflects its added value. Honda has significantly improved the 2023 Honda Pilot midsize SUV on paper, growing in size to offer more cargo and passenger room and now offering more power, trim features, and options than ever before. The question, however, always comes down to price, and with these improvements comes a slight bump for the Pilot that now places further from reach than the Toyota Highlander, Kia Telluride, and Subaru Ascent three-row competitors. So is it worth it? Well, Honda claims the new Pilot is its most capable SUV ever, now larger and more powerful than any Honda SUV that's come before it, so you are guaranteed to get more for the higher price. Unlike its competitors, the Pilot now starts over $40,000, $40,445, to be specific, and it's another $1,100 on Sport, XL, and Touring trims if you want to add all-wheel drive capability. All models now come standard with a newly introduced 3.5-liter V6 engine good for 285 horsepower and 262 pounds-to-foot of torque mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. All models also come equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, partial digital driver instrumentation, a tri-zone auto climate control system, heated front seats, hill descent control, LED headlights, and Shark Grey 7-spoke 20-inch wheels. Honda says its iVTM4 torque vectoring all-wheel drive system is vastly improved this time around, with 40% more torque on demand and a 30% quicker response time to better optimize traction in especially slick road or tricky off-road conditions. All Pilot trims are also now available with the Honda Performance Development (HPD) package, which adds fender flares, bronze or black wheels, and a HPD graphics kit for $2,950. Additionally, all models are available with an optional towing package, between $305 and $990, a protection pack for $290, and a function package for $405. All Pilots get 5 drive modes including Normal, Econ, Snow, Sport, and Tow, and AWD models add 2 more for Sand and Trail. Standard safety equipment includes sign recognition, traffic jam assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and rear seat and seatbelt reminders. Honda also released fuel economy figures. All front-wheel drive models report 19 city, 22 highway, and 27 combined MPG, Sport, XL, Touring, and Elite all-wheel drive models get 19 city, 21 highway, and 25 combined MPG. The worst offender is the Trail Sport AWD, which reports 18 city, 20 highway, and 23 combined MPG.